Suppose that the number of bacteria in a petri dish in millions, t minutes after an antibiotic solution has been added, is modeled by the function p of t is 10t plus 2 over 80t plus 1. Find the horizontal asymptote and interpret it in the context of the problem. So here we have a rational function modeling a population, and we're asked to first find the horizontal asymptote. All right, so here's what I see from this function. I see I have a degree 1 in the numerator, and I have a degree 1 in the denominator. And so that tells me we will have a horizontal asymptote. Now, how to find it? All right, so when the degrees of the numerator and denominator are the same, we simply need to take the lead coefficients and find the ratio of them. And so what we'll say is, as x approaches infinity, p of t approaches, we take the lead coefficients. All right, so in this case, the lead coefficient in the numerator is 10. The lead coefficient in the denominator is 80. P of t approaches 10 over 8. So as x approaches infinity, P of t approaches, well, we could reduce that to 1/8. Or the decimal number, how about the decimal number, 0.125? I think that'll make the most sense in the context. All right, so remember, as x approaches infinity, and actually, it shouldn't have been x, it should have been t. Sorry about that. All right, t is our input variable for the function. As t is approaching infinity, p of t is approaching 0.125. All right, so we found the horizontal, so the horizontal asymptote. The horizontal asymptote is at y equals 0.125, or whatever variable you want to use for the y variable. What is it telling us? It's telling us that the output for the function is approaching this number as t, as our input becomes very large. T is in minutes. All right, so what we could say is, after a long time, what is happening? The number of bacteria is approaching 0.125. Can't have 0.125 bacteria. That doesn't make much sense. Okay, but remember that we were told that the number is in millions. The number of bacteria is approaching 0.125 million is 125,000 bacteria. So there's an interpretation of the horizontal asymptote for that function.